seconds and no quicker. We're also a natural cavern. All this is natural. Clouds or cauliflower formations were formed. We have an altar, and this is it. Does that look familiar to anyone? Something sort of like something else you see in nature underwater? In this cavern system. They might take you down this one right here. Not a helictite. Helictites are formations that grow in different directions. 1,000. They had 7 more here, and then they had 1 in the next cavern over with a beautiful backdrop. It designated these caverns a nuclear fallout shelter. Welcome. So this is the old souvenir corner. Everywhere where you see sparklies is where we're missing decoration. Check out that dome, sir. Cathedral dome, beautiful. Nature's Sistine Chapel. These are for sale. $1,500, you can take them home with you. So this says the deepest, we're not the deepest, but we're by chance the deepest dry cavern. This one they call the Winter Crystal, only one like it that they found in here. It's known as Dog Spar Tooth, had it not been for the blasting.
We have the check with the earnest money for the house in Michigan.
Here we go.
Drive you crazy. Standing on a corner in Williams, Arizona, it's such a fine sight to see. All right, Jedrek. You did a good job, man. You got the next verse all by yourself. Right now. I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. I got a world of trouble on my mind. Looking for a lover, won't blow my covers. Just a little hard to find. Take it easy, take it easy. Let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. Jedrek.
I'll be sharing with you your fortune.
Look over! He throws far.
I can't help it.
He's
man.
kind of a Viking, if you can't tell.
really can.
Get over there.
Every time. Yeah! Yahoo! Yahoo!
No! Get over there.
Oh!
Over there.
But I was Yahooing.
No more yahooing. Next one's over my dead body. You got it?
Promise?
Yeah. All right, good fight. All right, here we go. One last time. 1, 2, 3.
Now, if you folks like the show, we have a tip box. Feel free to visit it. We'd like to thank you for visiting with all of our merchants right here, ladies, and the city for having us back for year 30. Now,